Maruti now, remember the company already launched the Nexa range of showrooms to sell what it calls its premium cars. Now Maruti is looking to work out a new dealership model which will put the country's largest car maker in the driver's seat, or so it hopes. Ronojoy Banerjee standing by to fill us in on all those exclusive details. Ronojoy, what is this new business model Maruti has chalked out?
Well, Nantara, essentially what Maruti now wants to do is to actually have company-owned dealerships. This is a model that Toyota follows very successfully in Japan. That's something that Maruti has been working on. In fact, the company had also made an announcement to this effect a couple of months ago. But what we now understand from our sources very high up in the company is that Maruti has worked out all the administrative formalities and modalities for this, and in the coming 2 to 3 weeks the company will actually make a formal announcement, and the company is going to launch a separate division to acquire real estate. So this is how it's going to work. So if you are a Maruti dealer and let's say you have your dealership on rented accommodation, you can actually go to Maruti, and Maruti will be buying out that dealership, at least the real estate cost of that, and then all you'll have to do is pay a marginal rent, is what Maruti sources are telling us, as compared to what they may be paying to their current owners. What's also important is sources telling me that this business division, which is how it's going to start off, may actually be entirely hived off as a separate 100% subsidiary of the company. And this is important because yesterday we heard from Jefferies in their report. They voiced concerns about how Maruti is utilizing its available cash in things like sort of creating land bank, which did not go down well with investors. But now if they actually go ahead and sort of come up with a 100% subsidiary purely for this business, it could be somewhat interesting. And what's also important to watch out, Nantara, is what implication this could have on the overall auto industries, because the big problem companies are facing today are dealerships moving from one OEM to the other, or perhaps leaving the auto business altogether, because business is becoming extremely unsustainable, especially at a time when there are overall tepid sales. So if Maruti does something, you can expect other companies to also follow suit.
Okay, Maruti trying to copy the Toyota model from Japan over here. Let's see if the other automakers do it as well with the dealerships, or how successful it is here. Thanks, Ronojoy, for joining us with those exclusive details.